Hi everybody. Today I want to show you this Castor's earbuds that I just got. They're pretty cool. Some of them come with a microphone in it, so you can use it with your phone or something like that, but there's some of them that don't. And I'm putting right here all the different colors that they come with. These ones that I have right here are the silver ones. Let me unplug it. I haven't plugged to my mini PC. I use them for when I'm editing. So I have another set over here that I use for meetings, but this one's quality is really good. So I use them for my editing. And again, these ones are the silver ones. They are worn over like this. So they go, the cable goes over here. But the great thing is that you can just buy them separately and you can connect them. They're really nice. The quality and all the specifications, again, I'm going to put over here, but you can just attach them right here like this. There. And you have them again. This is the silver one. And these ones are what they call the gray. And so I think this is really nice. I'm gonna just plug it in. There you go. And then you can just use it over here. And the audio is excellent. This is really good, and that's why I don't think they make them wireless, just because the cable itself is premium sound quality, as best as you can go with a wiring. So it comes with a jack, so it has to plug into your computer or sound system, whatever it is that you're going to use. It's not for your phone. But again, the quality is completely different than anything you use with your phone. And I can't say enough about the sound. These are really good. Very comfortable. And again, this is for really enjoying some quality sound, making sure, again, for me it's editing, so I want to hear every little thing as good as it can. So if you guys enjoy really the good quality and to listen to every little detail, these are the ones for you, the Castors. So I hope that you guys find them as stylish, as good quality as I am.